Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to the 2.1 adding and subtracting polynomials. So today we're going to be going over question 12 in the book Nelson Functions 11. It basically talks about how Tino owns a small company that produces and sells cell phone cases. The revenue and cost functions for Tino's company are down below, where x represents the selling price in dollars. So the revenue is r of x is equal to negative 50x squared plus 2,500x, and then the cost is c of x is equal to 150x plus 9,500. So firstly, it's asking us to write the simplified form of the profit function, which is p of x is equal to r of x minus c of x. So firstly, you're going to start off by writing both the equations. So r of x is equal to minus 50x squared plus 2,500x. And then this one and then it's asking for the difference of these two. That is equal to the profit. So how you're going to write this out is going to be p of x Okay, so now that we have the formula written down, and this is A, we're now going to start solving. So firstly, we want to open the brackets, right? So we're going to get negative 50x squared plus 2,500x. You guys have to remember to distribute this throughout the brackets. It's going to be negative 150x minus 9,500. So now what you're going to do is you're going to collect like terms. So it's going to be 2,500 minus 150 it's going to equal over here in array minus 50x squared plus 2,350x, because these are like terms, then minus 9,500. So this is the profit equation. So now this is a simplified form, and now it's going to ask what profit will the company make if it sells the cases for $12 each. So now it's saying, since x represents the selling price, we would plug in x as 12. So now for B, we're going to plug in price value for x. So you get the equation P of 12. So it's going to equal to minus 50, 12 squared plus 2,350, 12 minus 9,500. So now you just simplify. So obviously you start with exponents. So it's going to be 12 squared, and you're going to get minus 50 and 144, right? So you're going to have to multiply that again. And then you're going to get plus 2,350 and 12. You're going to multiply 12, and then you're going to subtract 9,500 from the whole thing. So now you can put those two and multiply them. So it's going to be minus 50 times 144, you get minus 7,200, right? And then you get 2,350 times 12, and you get 28,200 minus 9,500. So then now you're going to subtract everything. So you're going to start off by negative 7,200 plus 28,200 is going to give you 21,000 minus 9,500, and your final answer is going to be 11,500. So since we have the profit that the company will make if they sell it for $12 each, we're going to say when the company sells the case for $12, their profit will be $11,500. Okay, so that's how you